Here the question says, for each of the following, express 63 cents as a percentage of $2.10. If we want to convert $2, 110 cent, then how can we convert? আমরা জানি $1 means 100 cent. So $2 will be 200 cent plus 10 cent. That means 210 cents. Now, express this one as a percentage of this one. Then always remember is by of. Is express is of this one, is by of. So is will be the numerator, of will be the denominator, multiplied by 100%. This is the shortcut formula. So what is the is here? 63. So 63 divided by 210 multiplied by 100%. Okay, simple idea. Just calculate, you will get your answer. At first, 7 9 ja 63, 7 30 ja 210. Then cancel 0 and 0, and 9 by 3 will be 3. So our answer will be 30%.